Alright guys, I just dropped Laurie to school. I'm gonna stop at a spot and see what I can pick up this morning. Welcome back to the channel, guys. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and watch the ads, guys. Pick up yourself, Jamaican shore fishing. I really don't know how the water looked this morning. It was rough yesterday. I wanted to go out yesterday morning, but when I got up and looked out the window, I was actually on the phone with Adventurous Living, another YouTuber, and he's actually here in Mobay. We were supposed to link up, and I was on the phone with him, and I looked out the window, and I was like, holy smokes, and I seen the white caps on the water, so that wasn't working out. So left it for this morning, guys, and I'm definitely pushing out this morning to see what I can pick up this morning at a close spot that's close to my house. I'm not trying to go very far this morning because I have some things to deal with today. So stay tuned, guys. We're gonna get this sorted out. We're gonna pick something up this morning. Stay tuned for an epic catch if I can get a hook up this morning. Alright guys, big up yourself, Jamaican shore fishing. This looks sketchy this morning. Water looked rough. We had some bad weather yesterday, guys. I don't know what's up. See a whole bunch of fish pots. This looks real sketchy. But there might be a big barra hanging out in here someplace, or a jack. See that water coming over that? Freak waves. Yep. So feet are gonna get wet. Got some bad weather in the place lately, guys. Woo, the water feels good on the feet. Don't want to get my clothes wet now, and my battery pack on my keys, wallet, or anything. But we might pick up a barra here this morning. Doesn't look like a guarantee. Double check my wire lead, make sure that my wire lead is good. Ouch, I just got a hook in my damn hand. Guys, make sure this thing is not. Woo. Oh, it is pink. I need to change this, but I doubt that's going to give me any problems. But let's see what's up. I might end up losing a fish because of this. Making sure fishing. Yep, that wire lead was no good really. I'm gonna change that leader off, guys. I don't want to take any chances with it. You don't want to take chances with a bad leader. You'll definitely lose a fish that way for sure. And get back out there and get in game. That's more like it. Alright, cool, man. Yeah, man. Yeah. Yeah, man. Let's go, yeah. Alright. Yeah, there be some big barrels up here too, guys. I'm just waiting for one of them to see that lure. Once they see it, they're gonna run into it. Get that lure all the way out there, guys. Run into that trough coming back. I'm searching, guys. I'm basically searching here. I don't know where they're at right now. If anybody's patrolling by, or they might spot it. I don't want to see if I'm getting any chases. I'm getting my phone wet, guys. to make sure our camera is focused and recording, guys. Get out here to that reef and see if we can get anything. Permit jack should be in right now. Ooh, fish on, guys. Ooh, yeah, guys. Fish on. Gotcha. Barra this morning, guys. Let's get him up here. Barracuda this morning, guys. Look at that. Got him. Look at that. Jamaican shore fishing, Jamaican lure fishing. We are out here. Striker. And he's a fat boy too, guys. I gotta go get my bag. Yeah. You got hooked pretty good, buddy. Calm down. I'm not trying to get hooked here, but at the same time, I don't want to drop my fishing rod either. I could have put it in the car, which will make it safer. And let's try to grab you without getting hooked. Whew. You got hooked pretty good there, buddy. Holy shit. Fat boy. That's why you always run back with the giant. Alright, guys. I'm gonna put my bag on this time. I'm not gonna mess around. Because what I did was have my bag off and all the tools was in the car, so I had to come all the way back to the car and get them off the line. One more? Let's see if we can pick up one more. We just got him from over here, so he was most likely patrolling that area. I highly doubt if there any more they're going to be there. I got seaweed. Oh damn, the birds are jumping over there where homeboy's at. So something's happening out there. What the f*** do you need to drive back here so fast to do that for, bro? Yeah guys, on the hunt. Alright, we're gonna take it to the other side, guys. We'll move the ride.
and take it around. Oh, fire truck is spraying water. Check that out. That's pretty awesome.